Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your iPhone to iCloud Keychain securely, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect your iPhone to iCloud Keychain securely, start by ensuring your device is updated to the latest version of iOS. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Select iCloud from the list of options. Look for Keychain in the iCloud settings. Toggle the switch next to Keychain to enable it. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password. Type in your password and tap OK to proceed. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Once verified, you'll see a confirmation that iCloud Keychain is now enabled. Next, return to the main settings menu. Tap on Passwords to access the password settings. Here, you can manage your saved entries. To add a new password, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. Enter the website, username, and password for the new entry. Once completed, tap Done to save your information. Additionally, ensure that you enable autofill for passwords. Go back to the main settings menu and tap Safari. Scroll down to find autofill. Toggle the switch for usernames and passwords to on. This will allow Safari to use your stored passwords automatically. Lastly, make sure that your device is locked with a secure passcode or biometric authentication. This adds another layer of security when accessing your keychain. You have now connected your iPhone to iCloud Keychain securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.